Hello guys, and welcome to our channel No Speed Limit. Today we're going to show you how to put your jet ski cover on your ski. So as you can already see, we already have the cover on the ski. So I'm going to break down detail by detail as much as possible how to be able to put your cover on your ski, as I really had a lot of trouble putting it on when I first got my ski. So I think this will help a lot of you guys when you first get your ski. That is very important. You can spend hours and hours trying to put the jet ski cover on your ski, something that might look so simple, but there's little tactics and tricks and little details that you need to know in order to be able to put it in the correct way. That way you don't scratch or mess up the cover. So here we go. Alright guys, this is the cover out of the box already. What you want to do is actually line up the cover just the same way the jet ski is. So in order for you to tell that, usually you'll have this vent where the air flows out, or you have this hole right here. It's not a hole, it's actually a zipper ventilator where you can open up to get to your glow box of your ski once you have it on, the cover's on this actual ski. So the first things first you want to do is just grab the cover and then just throw it over the ski just like this. Just get it in there. Try to throw the front part to the front. And then what you want to look for is this little ears. This is the key part right here. So these little ears, there's usually two. Depending on the ski, I have a FX Cruiser, 2018 FX Cruiser from Yamaha. So you want to look for this particular ears and snug them in on this part of your jet ski where the throttle is and your hand bar handles. So you snuggle the first one in here, and then you're gonna go to the other side. On the other side, you're gonna do the same. That's the first step that you're gonna do. Nothing else. The front can stay loose, the back has to stay loose. That's the first thing you have to do, is make sure that the cover is over the handlebars. Once you complete that step, you're gonna grab the front part of the cover, right? And then you're gonna start pulling to the front and covering the front. That's the second step. You cannot do the back. It will not work. It will look all weird. And then you just adjust as you go. The third step will be grabbing the back piece, and all you have to do is just pull back. You're gonna pull it this way and pull it this way, and that's it. It looks pretty simple. It's not that hard, but you have to go by step in order to get it in there correctly. The first time that I did it, it took me an hour until I actually watched a video. Didn't find many out there that were really that helpful. And then of course you have this opening if you want to get into this storage in here, or you want to leave it open, just that way your jet ski has some ventilation in there. But they already come with these. So, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you. Go ahead and subscribe and like it, and then I'll continue to show you guys more steps. Thank you.